G'day and welcome to day one of the Etsy Shop Spring Clean Challenge. Today we start a 2-week journey where I'm going to help you to spruce up your Etsy shop for spring. If you don't know me, my name's Jess Van Den and I've been running my own successful Etsy shop, Ethereal, since 2008, and I've been fully self-employed with my handmade business and my creative business helping other makers since 2010. Okay, so before we get started with the challenge, if you're not sure what it is, I'll put a card right here to the intro and I'll also link to that in the description below. So we are basically going to be spending 2 weeks together, 5 lessons over the 2 weeks, so that's a total of 10 lessons, and I'm going to be guiding you through a process of basically updating your Etsy shop, doing little tweaks, stuff that won't take too long. I want to make sure this can fit in with your normal workday, so it's going to be quick and easy little tweaks that'll make a big difference overall once you put them all together. Before we begin, I want to encourage you to take a screenshot or a screen capture of your shop so you can compare your before and your after. Now, if you do this on your phone and you share it on Instagram, make sure to tag me at Create and Thrive and make sure to use the hashtags for the challenge. I'll put them on the screen right now. Okay, are you ready to get started with our first step in the Etsy Shop Spring Clean Challenge? Today, we are talking about something that makes a big impact, and that is your shop banner. Now, you can have a small banner or a big banner. Most people these days usually have a large banner, and if you haven't updated it for a while, now is a great opportunity to do that. You might even want to consider having a rotation of banners that you use at different times of year, for different seasons, different special events, and that's something that you can then pop in a folder on your computer and then bring out when the time comes. But for today, I just want to encourage you to do an update to your banner. Now, if you are updating your banner, it's a great idea to think about potentially updating your shop logo as well, so the two things match. If they're not looking matchy-matchy, you want to make sure that you do that at the same time. Your banner is so important because it immediately gives people an impression of what your shop is all about. Now, if you're not sure what your shop is all about because you're not sure of your branding, I'll link a card up here to the Etsy branding workshop that I did a year or two ago. It's about an hour-long workshop that I did as part of the Etsy U program, which is a program that Etsy themselves run, and they get people like me who are educators in the community to pass on the knowledge of how to succeed on Etsy, basically. So that workshop is all about branding. So when you finish this one, you can go watch that one if you're unsure. And if you need a little help and you want to put together a business brand board, this is basically a one-page sheet that has all of your brand colors, your fonts, and all that sort of stuff on there. I have a workshop in my membership community, the Thriver Circle, which shows you exactly how to build a business brand board using Canva. I'll put a link to that in the description below if you need help with that. Now, of course, if you do also need help with your banner, I have a couple of videos on that. I've got my video that shows you exactly how to create a banner in Canva for your Etsy shop. I'll put a card to that now and a link to that in the description below. And I've got another one that shows you how to upload your banner. I do cover that in the banner workshop, but some people miss that, so I created the other one just to show you exactly how to do that. So that's your job today. Number 1 is to make an updated banner for your shop and upload it. And if you need to, as a bonus, just update your logo as well so that the two things are in line with each other. The most important point, of course, is that you use similar fonts and similar colors in your banner and in your logo so the two things don't clash. Good luck for today. If you do update your banner, do a before and after screen capture, pop it on your Instagram stories, and make sure to tag me at Create and Thrive. I'm going to be sharing on my own stories some of the transformations that people make throughout this challenge, and I'd love to see what you're working on. Also, comment below and let me know when you've finished the day 1 challenge. And that's it. I'm looking forward to seeing you back here tomorrow for day 2 of the challenge. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss all of the videos for the rest of the challenge. I'll catch you tomorrow. Bye for now.